Now let's do bird dog. In tabletop position, place a pillow under your left knee. Keep your spine neutral. Extend the right leg backwards. And now extend the left hand forward. Look at your left hand's middle finger. Now tighten your core and breathe. 1. Keep breathing slow and long. 2. 3. Make sure your knees cushioned. 4. Find your balance. Keep the toe tucked in. 5. 6. Hastagraya drishti. Look at your left hand's middle finger. 7. And 8. Exhale. Relax. Take a resetting breath in between. Switch the position of the pillow. And notice how it feels in your core, in your shoulder, and your lower back. If you felt a burn in the core, amazing. If you felt any pain or discomfort in the lower back, you have to tighten your core more or quit the pose entirely. Now let's switch. Take the left leg back, keeping the core engaged. Right hand forward. Look at your right hand's middle finger, Hastagraya Drishti. Keep the core engaged. 1, 2, 3. Keep smiling. 4. Firmly press the palm on the mat. 5. 6. Smile. 7. 8. And relax, relax. You can let go of the pillow. Rest in child's pose or rabbit pose, Shashankasana or Balasana. If you feel any pressure in your belly, you can rest in Vajrasana as well.